Okay, so installing the whiteboard script, we first need to download it, and you'll do that by going here. And there's a download button here. And then you download the latest version. In my case is 1.3a. And we'll download this. And then I've already downloaded it, so it's already installed. I'll go ahead and do that real quick. Let me just delete these. All right, so I make a folder called Whiteboard, or you can, call it what it is or whatever. You want to extract that file, that archive, into that folder. So it looks like this. Okay. All right, now that you've done that, and now that you've done that, we can go ahead and get our script started. Go ahead and create a scene. I created a second scene here in the display capture so you could actually see, what I was doing here. Okay, so let's go to Tools, Scripts, and you want to click on this button, this little plus button here, and wherever you downloaded and extracted that file, you want to find whiteboard.lua. You're going to want to double click that, and then you should show up with this. And then you can change the colors. You can select a color. Let's do let's do something like this right here. Okay, you can change the size of the eraser, or a size of the pencil head or the eraser. Okay, so now that that's opened, you're going to want to add a whiteboard source. I usually click the default button. I don't think it does anything, but click OK. Let's move this to the top. Okay, this whiteboard app has to be at the top of what you're going to draw over the top of. Okay, so now that that's there and we have our scripts box open here, we have to project the source. So you're going to right click on your scene over here, and I'm going to window project it. You can do it to another monitor. I'm going to do it to another scene, to a window, so that way you can see it on my screen here. And I think I'll make that a little bit bigger here. Okay, so now we have that, and we have our scripts window open, and this is our output up here. So we can now draw on top of. We can clear it, and we can change the color, let's say to black. And this is where we draw on our stuff right here on this side, and this is where we control it. And this is the output, what you see. Okay. So you can use this eraser here, and you can make it real big, and so you can erase things, or you can just clear it and it all goes away. So let's move this down to like 4. Let's select this yellow color here, and we have some blank space on this side here that we could use for windows or whatever. And as you can see, that's about all there is to it.